अमेरिका ने कहा है कि पाकिस्तानी हुकूमत से आम मामलात के अलावा खित्ते की सलामती और दिफाई ताउन पर बातचीत हुई है और अमरीकी हुकूमत ने रवां बरस के दौरान इन मामलात पर कई इक़दाम किए हैं। अमरीकी दफ्तर ख़ारजा के तर्जुमान मैथ्यू मिलर ने एक प्रेस ब्रीफिंग में बताया कि पाकिस्तान और अमरीका के दरमियान दहशतगर्दी से निपटने के लिए दोनों ममालिक ने मुश्तरका हिकमत अमली तैयार की है। उनका मज़ीद क्या कहना था, आइए आपको दिखाते हैं।
Pakistani Army chief is in Washington seeking U.S. support against alleged terrorist safe havens in Afghanistan. What kind of support is the U.S. willing to offer Pakistan, and will drone strikes be considered?
So I'm not going to comment with respect to his meetings, other than that generally speaking, we look forward to partnering with the Pakistani government on regional security and defense cooperation. We have taken a number of steps to partner with them this year on anti-terrorism activities. In March, the United States and Pakistan held a high-level counterterrorism dialogue to discuss the shared terrorist threats facing our two countries and to develop strategies to cooperate in critical areas such as border security and countering the financing of terrorism. And we fund several counterterrorism capacity building programs in Pakistan focused on law enforcement and justice, and we look forward to carrying out that work.